Namaste. This is Dan Locke, and to all my fans from India, I am super excited to announce that I will be the keynote speaker for the upcoming Passionpreneur Summit. This is for the first time ever that I am making a virtual appearance at an event to all my fans in India, so I am very much looking forward to it. You see, in the Asian culture, very often we are taught to put aside our passion, to just focus on our career, right? Growing up, your parents are telling us, hey, you know what? Just be a doctor, just be an engineer, just be an accountant. That very often we neglect our passion, what actually turns us on, what makes us excited, and we suppress a lot of that emotions, that we don't believe that we can combine our passion with our career, and that is simply not true. I truly believe that if you could combine your passion with a way to make a profit, right? Because that's the only way you could sustain your passion, and you can then find what your true purpose is, so that you are making a great profit doing your passion and also living your purpose. And that's how you have a great quality of life. And that's exactly what I'm going to teach you at the upcoming Passionpreneur Summit. So get your ticket today, and I look forward to seeing you and connecting with you.